Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your first in-depth love read for 2022. Let's see what's going on with you Libra, what's going on with your person and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, starting with the devil, Libra, with the Two of Wands in reverse, King of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so Libra, I'm newbies. I'm setting down two sets of cards here, okay? One set will be for you, one set will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, action cards, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So here's action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have heartbreak, Libra. Three of Swords. Somebody's in a lot of pain here. What happened? Let me check the cards. Okay, so somebody is feeling that this connection was becoming very toxic to bear and they may have made a decision regarding that. The other person, well, they have the Ten of Cups and they feel this is my happily ever after. They do want to talk, they do want to message, they do want to say something. I'll figure out what. First, let's start your reading with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify the cards. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more from a separate deck, different deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Libra and their person spirit. Okay, good to go. Oops, and the light flickered and went off. Stay. Okay, doesn't want to go on. Okay, so the first card here says, I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours anymore though. I think somebody's released the connection to say, this is too toxic. I don't want to know them. I don't want to check their social media or talk to them or be in a connection. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. The other person still sees person A as their happiness, their wish fulfillment. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. Waiting on you to forgive me. Promise I can change. I never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. You've helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. Okay, so one person is saying, I have learned my psychic gifts. I'm not dealing with the devil anymore. I'm making a decision against somebody who was always holding back from me, was always very selfish, wanting attention from multiple places and people. The other person is saying, hey, but I miss you. You are my future. You are my happiness. Okay, so let's start the clarification and check out what's going to happen. Libra, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Sweetness. Maybe there is a need to get some sweetness back into this connection, Libra. I'm going to take one more. And generosity, yes. Maybe somebody was a bit selfish and they didn't give to the connection. It's maybe time for you both maybe to be generous in your time, love, attention to each other. bring some sweetness back into this connection if this has to go anywhere. But first and foremost, when I see these cards, I always say, first be generous to yourself. If you can't be good to yourself, you can't be good to anyone. So do something nice for yourself, Libra, today. Give yourself a pat on the back. Buy yourself something nice. Go for a nice long walk. Do something which makes you happy. Okay? Once your heart is full of love and happiness is when you can share it with someone else. Now let's see what's happening here. So person A, why do you feel the Devil and the Two of Wands in reverse? What are you feeling? One more. One more. Person A says, well, I waited for a long time. I didn't want this connection to end either. But you know what? They never chose me. They never made a decision. They didn't even apologize to me. They didn't offer me any love. I thought there was happiness here, but sun really didn't shine finally because I got no offer. They left me feeling rejected, dejected, not be offered anything. So you know what, Omkara Tarot, I decided to get out of this confusion. I'm not going to stay an option in their life. I choose myself. And since I've started being generous to myself, I'm showing up as the Queen of Wands. I'm excited about life once again. I know my worth. I turn heads wherever I go. I can choose whoever I want. First and foremost, I've decided to choose myself and not wait around for an apology from a person who has become very toxic. They just don't make me happy anymore. And yes, they leave me out feeling rejected, discontented, no offer given. So I made up my mind. One more card for the Two of Wands in reverse. Well, what's the decision you've made, person A? They've decided not to get breadcrumbed anymore. I'm not happy with just a little bit. I know I deserve more. So I've decided, I've chosen my path. I'm bringing this connection to a stagnancy. I've waited long enough and now I choose my own path. I'm not going to stand around here saying they will come back, then we'll decide whether we go left or right. I'm choosing. Alright, so what happened to you, person A, that you made such strong decisions for your life? And of course you're doing well, glowed up like the Queen of Wands. What happened? Well, person A says, I did see them as my King of Wands as well, Omkara Tarot. They were sexy, they were hot, they were exciting, they were the kind of person I thought who would be my equal match. We could be a power couple. But they ended up being a little selfish, attention seeking. Yes, something came to light, so some clarity, something was either spoken or said. Maybe this King of Wands kind of didn't open up or held back from this Queen of Wands. They were so much into themselves, their projects and their life and their travels and this thing, that eventually I think once this Queen of Wands realized that is what's going on, they felt betrayed. They totally felt betrayed, that how can you hold back from me? Like, we're supposed to be together. Four of Pentacles, what happened in the past with the Four of Pentacles? Okay, so the King of Cups came out, but came out a bit sideways. So I think this King of Wands never really showed emotions, may have shown a little bit and then gone back and come back again, always leaving this Queen of Wands in isolation, retreated, thinking, wondering, praying. Why are they holding back from me? Why don't they open up? Why don't they express their emotions? So I think this Queen of Wands probably got fed up. Am I right? Yeah, the Queen of Wands says, well, they behaved like a bit of a trickster. They were creating illusions and they were upsetting me with their trickster bad behavior. So I decided that it's best that I hold back from them. Okay, so person A, how do you feel about the connection now? Eight of Pentacles. Person A says, what connection are you talking about, Omkara Tarot? I'm so busy focused on myself. I'm being generous to myself. I know I'm a sweetheart and I'm taking care of business for me. I'm growing my wealth. I'm taking care of work so that I am secure, I'm stable, I've become good for myself at the moment. I'm not even looking at love. Ace of Cups in reverse. I don't believe in love anymore, at least with them. So I have a feeling person A is fully concentrated on their wealth, then their abundance, taking care of business, not really paying too much attention to their emotional needs or the love that could have been or is between the two of you. So why is the Ace of Cups in reverse for you, person A? Person A says, well, certain things came out. I discovered, or certain things came out in the open. I've realized that this person is never going to change. They have very fixed ideas about their life. They're never going to change. So if they're not going to change and they're going to stay toxic, I'm releasing the devil. I'm not going to be sitting around in somebody else's drama. If they don't want to change, become a better person, offer love and be together, then it's all right. I'm releasing this connection altogether. So that's where person A is at. So what action person A will take, I'll open a little later. Libra, I'm going to go on to the other side and see how person B is feeling. Then we'll do the action cards, most expected actions between the two of you. So person B, you're sitting in the 10 of Cups energy. Why is that? Oh my God, they love person A so much. They know that, I think they took them for granted because they see person A as the loving, kind, beautiful, intuitive, always giving, and somewhere deep in their heart they knew that this was their person. This is the one who can make them emotionally happy. This is the one that they can have for the long haul. Then what happened? Page of Wands? Okay, so they probably didn't take action. They kept the interaction very, very small. They didn't take bold action towards this connection, and maybe they were trying to, even though they feel that person A is their 10 of Cups, they may not have offered a solid commitment. Okay, that is what. Why did you do that, person B? Well, maybe they were not in that place. I don't know. They're not telling me why they didn't do it. But right now they're feeling, my God, I've lost my wish fulfillment. Because now this Queen of Cups, instead of the cup, they're showing me their sword. They're going to cut me off. They've already cut me off. They're angry with me. They're upset with me. And, I'm feeling that now my wishes will not come true. So what happened in the recent past, person B? 2 of Cups. 2 of Cups. Well, person B says, I met my person, let's say person A, and I knew that this is my soulmate. This is the person I'm meant to be with. This is the person who is my equal. This is the one who can make me happy. I recognize them immediately. But Omkara Tarot, that time I had so many responsibilities on my head. I had so much to do. I was so exhausted. I thought once I finish my responsibilities, I can drop some wands, and then after that, I would pick up that one wand and move towards them. But when they entered my life, I had no energy to even pick up that one wand and move towards them. I was very, very burdened at that point, even though they were still my ray of sunshine. They still made me so happy. But something came out. Something came out. It could have been that maybe person B at that point was busy at work, or their work was not doing well, or they could have said I'm in third parties, or I just wanted to be, they never really, something came out, most probably about third parties, or maybe person B was in that place in their life where they didn't want a solid connection because they didn't want the responsibility of one. They were happier with having friends or friends with benefits or something like that. And whatever they said came across really wrong. If they did say it in so many words, whatever message reached person A kind of put them off. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Three of Wands in reverse. Why do you feel that way? Person B says, well, I don't want to lose my soulmate. I know that my person is very upset and very angry with me. The Two of Cups is now in reverse. I desperately don't want to live in this sorrow and regret and guilt for the rest of my life. I am trying to gather up the courage. I want to go towards them and offer them commitment now. I am trying to gather that courage to be able to face them and say, I'm ready now. I want to get out of this abandonment, cold place that I find myself. Till they were in my life, I was fine, but the sun would shine and I would continue doing my thing, knowing that the sun is always there. But now I feel totally left behind. I feel I'm totally ungrounded without my stable person. So I have a feeling that person B was saving person A for later while they were finishing up maybe their money issues, work issues, and they may have said, hey, listen, for the time being, let's just keep it small, or let's just meet up once in a while, and person A took it as a rejection. So let's see what actions you guys will take. Let me take another card. Five of Pentacles in reverse. What's the Five of Pentacles? Yes, person B definitely wants a rebirth of this connection. They can't take that they have to be in lack or feel left behind for the rest of their life. Person B definitely, but they are trying to find their courage. They don't feel now good enough. They feel small. They don't know how to face person A to say, hey, now I'm ready. Alright, so let's see your actions now, Libra. I'll take a separate deck for this one, Libra, and this is my time to remind you to click that thumbs up button. It really helps the videos to circulate and makes me happy. Also, newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, as then YouTube then can send you notifications whenever new videos are released from Omkara Tarot. Thank you. Alright, so person A, action from your end. Knight of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action from your end, person A? Action. Oh my God, person A seems very angry and frustrated at the moment. They're refusing to tell me anything. There they are. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay. Person A is manifesting something new in their life. I think person A spent a lot of time feeling the way person A has been feeling in the Five of Pentacles, right? The same way now that person B is feeling. They, after this fight or whatever, they spent a lot of time feeling sad, lonely, upset. I have a feeling person A feels the right choice for them would be a brand new beginning, to continue moving forward and maybe go towards somebody new. Am I right? Person A, is that the action? What's the action? Action from your end? What action will you take towards person B? Person B is not sure. Person A is not sure at all. They go back and forth in their mind and they feel, I want commitment and I'm not sure that person B is in that place. It's better that I start maybe something new elsewhere, from what I feel. They want to leave this darkness behind and go towards something which is more light and happiness and fluffy and spiritual. They don't want to go back into a place which was only darkness for them. This is how they were made to feel, right? Crying, sitting alone, feeling in lack. So person A says, well, I am ready for commitment and maybe somebody new who doesn't put me into these dark places. Alright, so person B, what action will you take? Strength. They are still trying to find their courage. That they already told me. So let's see. Why is the strength card here as action? Person B. Why is that an action? Too many cards. One card at a time, please. What action will you take, person B? What action will you take towards person A? One more. They are the ones who are sitting in heartbreak. Person B is the one who's heartbroken now. Why? Because they feel their empress, the one who is queen above all queens, is now in fight mode. They feel my person will never trust me, they'll cut my head off, I don't have the courage, I'm trying to find the courage to speak with them, but as much as they want this empress, they're scared that what they will be faced with is the wrath of this empress in the Queen of Swords energy. So they're sitting in heartbreak. What else can I say? Does that mean you won't take any action? Person B? I'm so nosy. Will you take any kind of action, or are you just going to sit there and... Any action from your end? Any message? Any start point? Feeling the waters? Nothing? Ace of Pentacles. And the Knight of Wands. This person is so scared of coming forward. I have a feeling, I could be wrong, I have a feeling their way of starting something new. They do want something stable, they do want something long term, but they may show up as the Knight of Wands. Just to kind of keep themselves protected, or test the waters. How hot is the water going to be? Will it burn me? Will it let me take a swim? I don't know what. But this person may start off something but pretend to be in that same energy of maybe a player who's not interested. Okay, so person A, please, you can see right through them if you can. This person, if then they approach, you'll probably be disappointed because they'll be coming back in the same kind of, playboyish energy. But heart of hearts, person B is, look at them screaming. I mean, where is that card? Oh. Please see this card carefully. This is a silent scream of heartbreak. In actuality, this is how they're feeling. And I have two of them, not one, on their side. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.